does have charge, so
a Windows 8 touchscreen pad from HP. We're just gonna throw it in the microwave. We just finished destroying the well, this one just burnt out after we destroyed all this shit, so
it's just hot. That's why.
it's just a little too hot, as you can see and tell. Especially if you guys watched the last video. So we're just gonna throw this one inside and see what it does. Got 4 minutes on the clock. It's flickering on the camera, but for some reason in real life it's not. Check this out.
That's the actual time, by the way.
4 minutes. All right. Oh,
I have a feeling that this is going to extend.
Oh.
Oh God. Oh God, that thing is going to explode.
oh yeah, it's making its way down.
That thing is going to
The
explode.
flame is actually moving.
I'm expecting the door to pop open. That lithium battery has to go any minute.
It's just circling.
Oh God.
29 seconds left.
You should have thrown it in there longer.
Just explodes.
Come on. Just explode into misery. It's like roulette, man. There's not knowing what's going to happen.
Tough.
Okay. 5 minutes.
We got 5 minutes now.
Oh God.
Oh, yep. Boom. Oh shit, I thought I was gonna do it. Any moment now. Oh, there's electricity.
Once you start, you have to let it finish because there is no stopping. Man, when's that battery gonna go?
It's getting there.
Oh yeah. Ah, that thing is flaming up very fierce. 359.
Just explodes.
Oh God. Don't come at me.
Ruben's getting nervous.
Pause. Oh God. Oh God. It's fucking. Oh God.
And we still got 3 minutes and 30 seconds left. It's making its way to its battery right now.
Oh God, yeah, that thing's gonna explode, man. At the bottom.
Trying to get this camera to focus. There we go. It's flaming up some more.
Man, there's a lot of flame in that thing. If any of that micro is gonna go, it's gonna shut off probably.
It's sparking. The battery can go at any minute. Got 2 minutes and 35 seconds of counting.
Oh God. Never put a lithium battery in the microwave. That's charged.
This thing's got 100% juice
I wouldn't say
and 100% flame.
I wouldn't say 100% juice, but it's
Try our new 100% flame grilled iPad. Well, it's on iPad, but it's a touchscreen.
Come on, it pop already. Dang.
Maybe it actually did melt out.
It's always when you least expect it, man.
Oh,
Oh, there we go. Not too hot.
that actually smells like something's getting grilled. 100% flame grilled lithium battery.
Let's open this bad boy up.
Wow, the smoke is black. Sheesh. Thing is, this thing could still.
Look how black this microwave got.
Thing is, it could still explode at any time. It's completely cooked.
Yeah, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Wow.
That's completely gone. Just explodes. Should we try playing games on it?
I think so.
This happens when you try to run PUBG Mobile.
Alright, guys.
Alright guys, that'll conclude this video. This microwave, I don't know if it still works after that, but we'll see.
I'm sure it will.
But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you in the next one.
Laters.
Laters.